Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card which is about this describing an old building that you like. So this is the topic which I'm going to speak on this video, and you can watch this video till the end so you can basically build your confidence, and you can basically can understand like how a beginner can speak, and he can how he can basically improve day by day after working on himself. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So the old building which I like basically is Qutub Minar, and I've been like living in my city from past couple of years, but I haven't visited the Qutub Minar. And so the last month basically I visited there, and over there I've seen like basically I researched too much about this place because that is very oldest place in Delhi, and there are a lot of other places, right? They are also oldest, but this one is like 800 years back they have built that. And basically that is famous for like prayer in Muslim religion, and most of the peoples are praying in the corridor of that particular area. And basically that is basically a very great architect which is like sustain from that much of period, because nowadays if somebody is like building a home, and so it will not able to at least properly basically still at till like 50 or 60 years. But this thing which they have made it like it is like completed like 800 years, more than 800 years. So that was very shocking for me, and how like old things works that I got to know from there. And yeah, so it is very not closest to my house, but I still visit there sometimes, and there I got to know from lot of foreigners, and I've talked multiple peoples over there because I'm English learner. So I basically want to see like my communication skills, I'm able to basically communicate with them or not. Yeah, they are very fluent, but yeah, still I am managed to basically like get to talk to them, and that is very great for me. So yeah, and so this is all about the cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video. And I know probably I need to speak more. And yeah, today I'm feeling like a little bit like, but we say like lazy. And yeah, because I can see my wordings, but from my mouth basically I'm not able to basically feeling like I'm like exhausted or not. But from mind basically that is uh things which happening to me. So yeah, this happens to everyone. You need to basically take some sort of vacations. That is what most important nowadays, because you are keep working and keep focusing on chasing everything. So in that basically you are running behind lot of things which is you need to feed yourself, right? Which is very important for your psyche and your mental energy, because there is lot of things which we are scrolling day by day, and that is not important, and we are like consuming, keep consuming, and not like taking rest for like basically take ourselves some sort of patrol, you can say. We need like some sort of silent place where we sit and we can talk to ourselves, because that is what most important, and that is how we can basically empower ourselves as well. Empowering is also most important. Nowadays everyone is criticizing themselves, but no one is like embracing like motivating themselves. So that is what most important, and that is how you can able to build your confidence and your belief as well. So on this video, that is it. I hope you find this video interesting. So bye bye, have a good day.